Mungkin Anda semua yang melihat video ini sudah pernah melihat berita yang baru-baru ini sedang viral, di mana seorang aktris biru yang melecehkan bendera Indonesia di depan Kedutaan Besar Indonesia di Inggris. Berita ini menjadi sangat viral, dan yang membuat publik semakin geram. Aksi tersebut dilakukan dengan sadar di ruang publik, tepat di depan perwakilan resmi negara Indonesia. Bukan sekadar tindakan pribadi, tapi sebuah provokasi yang jelas-jelas menyinggung simbol kedaulatan bangsa. Dan tahukah Anda? Menanggapi hal ini, bukannya mendapat dukungan. Banyak orang Barat justru mendukung Indonesia, dan mengecam bahkan melaknat tindakan tersebut dengan sangat keras.
So my sister tells me that Bonnie Blue has been arrested in Bali. I'm like, Bonnie who? And then she explains to me that this girl who basically makes a living off of doing you know what with a whole heap of man has come to Indonesia, which is like a restful, peaceful, spiritual, religious place, to basically bring her dirty, nasty ways from her Western countries. And I'm just like, first of all, the fact that she's apparently been deported and not arrested is questionable, because last time I checked, she should be in jail at least for a little bit, like a few nights. Maybe something could come over her and she could get some sense. But also, why is it that people think that they can bring their Western ways to other people's countries and just disrespect the customs? Just because in the West it's a case of let all be, let all do, let's pretend that this kind of behavior is empowering, and it is, liberating, and women are free to do whatever they want to do. You might guess that I'm being very sarcastic, and I do not agree with this kind of dirty, stinking behavior. Now, normally, baby, I do not judge, but there are exceptions to every rule. And when you go to that end of the spectrum, with my sister telling me what this woman does, I'm just like, no, we're not going to pretend that it's cool. We're not going to pretend that it's fun times, and we're not going to pretend that it is okay to bring that kind of behavior to other people's countries. Stay at home. Stay at home with the nasty behavior and stop being disrespectful to other people's customs and their ways of life. And that doesn't just go for this Bonnie chick, it goes for everyone. We must have a little bit respect when we are tourists. We are guests in other people's homes. Therefore, do the research before you're coming. And I have been guilty, by the way, of not doing enough research, and I have said this before, but it is our responsibility to check out the lay of the land before our arrival. And when we come, we must make sure that we do our best. It's like when you're young and you go to somebody else's house and you finish your meal and you wash up your dishes, and then they tell your mother or your father how good you were because you washed up the dishes. Yet at home, them have to beg you to wash up the dishes. That was me, by the way. Outside on the road, yeah man, I used to wash up the dishes. At home, I look on the dishes. Anyway, the point is, one, let's stop pretending that nasty, dirty, stinking behavior is considered advancement for women. It is not. And secondly, let us be respectful tourists. My darling, you're welcome.
Ya, bisa terlihat dalam video, wanita tersebut benar-benar mengecam dan melaknat perilaku tersebut. Karena memang sudah seharusnya, sebagai seorang turis, siapapun wajib menghormati tuan rumah, dan menyesuaikan perilaku sesuai dengan adat lokal, bukan memaksakan gaya hidup pribadi. Ia juga menolak keras normalisasi perilaku kotor, dan tidak bermoral seperti itu. Kita semua tahu, ada sebuah peribahasa di mana bumi dipijak, disitulah langit dijunjung. Peribahasa ini tidak hanya digunakan di Indonesia, tapi juga di dunia barat. Yang lebih merindingnya lagi, karena kasus ini, banyak bule yang justru seperti ikut merasakan rasa nasionalisme Indonesia. Mereka ikut mengecam dan mengajari tentang betapa pentingnya untuk bersikap hormat, beretika, dan tahu diri saat berada di negeri orang.
Here's a quick tip for you. When you're in Bali, just make sure that when you're talking to people, you treat them with a bit of respect. One thing I've noticed since I've been here this time is that there's been a lot of Westerners here just talking down to people. And it's just so horrible to see. It's not hard to just be polite, be nice, and actually learn a little bit about the culture here, rather than just being so rude.
Tentu, kasus-kasus seperti ini harusnya ditindak dengan sangat tegas. Tidak hanya cukup dengan deportasi dan membayar denda. Martabat bangsa harus dijunjung setinggi-tingginya bagi siapapun yang berada di wilayah hukum sebuah negara. Apalagi ketika menyangkut simbol resmi dan kedaulatan negara tersebut. Jika tindakan seperti ini terus dianggap sepele, maka yang dipertaruhkan bukan hanya perasaan rakyat, tapi juga wibawa negara di mata dunia internasional.